would depend. I would say first, are you looking at soft surface or hard surface? Hard surface has many more different types of hard surface to it. Hardwood floor, engineered floor, ceramic tiles, laminates, LVP, glue down. So are we talking hard surface or carpet? The cost of new flooring, it's unique to the space. Everything kind of comes down based by a per square foot price. And that one square can be anywhere between 99 cents for carpet only to all the way up to $40 a square foot, depending on what the material is. So it really depends on what you were thinking, what your budget is, what's down existing now, and who's taking that up. Does the floor need prep to make sure that it's in the right condition to receive the new floor? And any special trims, any special areas that need to be upholstered or cut around. It really is unique to everyone's space. Come to visit our Carpets by Otto showrooms and chat with our friendly, knowledgeable flooring specialists because they are happy to work with you and show you the different options and find the right floor for you, how you want to feel, how you want it to look, and in the budget. And you can enjoy a beautiful end result that way. Working with Carpets by Otto.